Beat. Opening a business checking account can feel like a big task. Many owners worry about long applications and strict rules. I'm here to tell you it can be simple. I recently opened an American Express business checking account for my company. The entire process was completed online from my office. I was very surprised when I received the approval email the very next day. This quick result made managing my business finances easier right away. It removed a major item from my to-do list and allowed me to focus on my actual work. The online application process is straightforward and logical. It guides you through questions about your business and yourself. First, choose your company's structure. Look for the Business Structure drop-down. You'll select your federal tax classification. Options include sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, and corporation. If you're the only owner of an LLC, select single-member LLC. This tells Amex how you're structured and taxed. Match your IRS records. If you choose LLC, a follow-up may appear. The app asks how your LLC is taxed. C corporation, S corporation, or partnership. If you haven't filed special elections, defaults usually apply. Check past filings or your CPA. Next, confirm your role in the company. You'll see titles like owner, president, general partner, and authorizing officer. Select the title that matches your authority and formation documents. This confirms your legal right to open the account and protects everyone. To make the application fast, gather your documents before you begin. Most important, your employer identification number, or EIN. It's a unique 9-digit number from the IRS. If you're a sole proprietor without an EIN, you may use your TIN, typically your SSN. Having it ready prevents mid-application delays. You'll also provide formation documents. For an LLC, articles of organization or certificate of formation. For a corporation, articles of incorporation. These prove your business is legally registered. Amex uses them to verify legal name, formation date, and registered address. Save clear digital copies for easy upload. You'll need government-issued photo IDs for each owner, driver's license, or passport. This satisfies KYC regulations and prevents fraud. Ensure the name on ID exactly matches your application. Small discrepancies can cause delays. Provide info for all beneficial owners. A beneficial owner holds 25% or more of the company. You'll enter each owner's full legal name, address, date of birth, and SSN for verification. Collect this up front, especially with multiple partners. Prepared documents make the application smooth. Not every business is eligible for American Express business checking. Amex has restrictions on certain industries. Confirm your business isn't in an ineligible category. Examples include cryptocurrency, online gambling, money services, and marijuana-related businesses. These limits are common among financial institutions. Restrictions can change over time. Check Amex for the latest list before you apply. If you're high risk or restricted, this account may not fit. Choose an industry that accurately reflects your work. Misrepresentation can lead to denial or closure. Even if eligible, approval isn't guaranteed. Amex evaluates your info, public records, and internal criteria. Provide complete, accurate information. Inconsistencies raise red flags, like mismatched revenue and public profile. Your business website is key to evaluation. You can apply without one, but a professional site strengthens your application. It acts as a digital storefront and signal of legitimacy. A clear site helps underwriters verify that your business is active and as described. Having a dedicated business account separates finances and supports clean bookkeeping and taxes. One standout feature is the interest it pays. As of early 2026, the account offers a competitive 1.30% APY on balances up to $500,000. Your cash can grow while it sits in checking. No special activity requirements. The APY is variable and can change anytime. Balances over $500,000 don't earn interest. New customers may be eligible for a welcome bonus. A common public offer is 30,000 membership rewards points. Targeted offers can be higher, up to 70,000 points. Some applicants may see a limited-time $300 cash bonus. Check current terms before applying. The account does not accept cash deposits. You can't deposit physical cash at ATMs or branches. That's unsuitable for cash-heavy businesses, retail stores, restaurants, and cash-paid service providers. Pair it with another account if you need cash deposits. For digital-first businesses, this isn't an issue. There are no monthly fees and no minimum balance. Incoming wires and common services are often free. Manage checking, cards, and lines of credit in the American Express Business Blueprint app on iOS, Android, and web. Everything in one place, wherever you work. My experience was very positive because I was well prepared. Enter every detail accurately. Double-check the spelling of your name, your business address, and your EIN. Small typos can cause verification delays. Match your legal documents and what the IRS has on file. Have a simple business website live before you apply. Clearly state who you are, what you do, and how to contact you. It signals legitimacy and makes a strong first impression. Be realistic about annual revenue. Don't inflate figures. Banks can cross-check. Low or zero revenue for new businesses is fine. Provide an estimate you can justify from your plan, current sales, or industry norms. After approval, explore features and integrations. Download the Business Blueprint app. Connect your accounting tools and enable mobile check deposit. Learn how to convert membership rewards points into deposits.